All right, so here we have something called logical implication. So we're going to consider the rows of the truth tables for the compound propositions P and Q. So these are already big propositions. So it would be like this side and this side. Now, whenever P is true, Q is also true. We say that P logically implies Q. So that's kind of the key here. The big one logically implies the other one if they both are true. Now, and we write that as P logically implies Q, and we call this a logical implication. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to show that that's the case here. So we're going to again have what? We're going to have our P, we're going to have our Q. We're going to have if P then Q. We're going to have if P then Q then P. So, oh, I guess I don't want to write it that way. I'm trying to write what I was saying. All right, so then we want to write P then Q then P. And then we want to have Q then P. And so then it'd be Q then P. Oh, we know that's not what we want. We want this one first, and then we want to do that. Q then P. And then our final column will be the we'll do this over here. P then Q. All right. I know what I'm doing. All right. So now let's go ahead and make our lines. And really, this is just going to kind of say what we're doing. So this is true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. If P then Q, this one is false, everything else is true. And then we have this and going to the P. So we're going this direction. So true, true is true, false, true is true, true, false. So this one is false, and this one is false. Okay, so the other two are true. And Q, then P. So now we're going this direction. We're doing here to here. That's going to be true. That's going to be false, true, true. So the only one that's false is this one. That's going to be true, true, true. Now, the logically implies is going to be if P is true, Q is also true. So here, this one is logically doing it. So one is true, the other is true, and here one is true, the other is true. Okay, so that's these two pieces here is kind of the logical implication. Okay, now again, we can say, okay, well, we had a true, true, false, true, and a true, true, false, false. So both of these are going to be contingencies. So just another place we can see a contingency. Okay. All right, so let's pause there and we'll come back for more.